In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop notification pop-ups on your Shein mobile app. Now, if you swipe down, you can see I have a lot of notifications and they are causing a lot of distraction to my normal operation of my smartphone. If you are frequently encountering this problem, let me show you how you can stop this notification so that they'll never again show up or pop up on your screen. Now, for the purposes of demonstration, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should apply on any Android smartphone. And to stop them, we shall go to Settings. And from Settings, scroll down until you get to Apps. So tap on it to open. And from here, select Manage Apps. Now, this will open up all the apps you have on your smartphone. Now, let's go ahead and look for Shein mobile app. And if I scroll down here, you can see the Shein mobile app is here. Tap on it to open. And we want to look for notification option, which is this. As you can see, the notifications are turned on. So let's go ahead and open notification settings. And as you can see, when the notification button is on, we have a number of notifications that we can receive. What you need to do is to turn off all these, and to do so, you only need to turn these off. Or if you only need to turn off specific ones, you can do so here. But if you want to stop all notifications, all you need to do is to turn on this first button called Show Notifications. When we toggle it off, now our notification will disappear. And now you can see, if I swipe down, you can see the notifications have disappeared. And from there, you will never receive notifications from Shein. So that's how you stop notifications from your Shein Android mobile app. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.